going to mix the eyes and take it out. Okay? Mix and mix, mix and mix, 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 mix. Like something. Oh, one got inside. It's like, the slime is like blood. Okay, now let's take the green. Yeah. This is also kind of like water. Let's put it on my hand, okay? Because I didn't feel it last night. Whoa. Whoa! It's like the pink. Pink, green. Pink, green. Pink, green. Let's see how. I'm going to make angry face and happy face. So, I'm going to put two rainbows here. And two rainbows here. It's kind of slippery. Now take your yarns and put it on the yarn. Put it on the slime to make a happy face. Now I'm going to take this one and make an angry face. Look at my slimes. Smile face and angry face. How is this, guys? Is it beautiful? Now let's mix it and take it out. Like, share, and subscribe my video. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Stay safe at home.